Hi, if you want to enter or exit recovery mode on the Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra, then follow these steps. And firstly, you need to take the charging cable, connect it to the computer and the other end plug in the phone. Just like that. This is Type-C cable, by the way. Also, after that, you will need to tap the power off icon. To find it, just swipe down 2 times from the upper right corner and you'll see this power off icon. So now we need to select power off, and after that, when the screen will be completely turned off, we would need to press and hold volume up buttons and power buttons at the same time, immediately when the screen turns off. So let's test it. I'm gonna select power off. And now we need to press and hold power button and the volume up buttons at the same time. If nothing happens within 5 seconds, you can release the button and try once more. So let's do it one more time. And now we can see the Samsung logo, and we just need to simply wait a couple of seconds till we'll see the reboot system now option, wipe data, and so on. So here you can see the reboot system, and also if needed you can choose to wipe data or factory reset your phone. To scroll through this menu you would need to use volume down and volume up buttons like that. And to confirm this tab, reboot system now, you would need to hold the power button. Then your phone will turn off and turn on again. Just restart it as that. And that's it, how it works. I hope this video was helpful for you, and thank you for watching.